Okay, welcome back. So this one now, right? We're going to factorize even more difficult examples. All right. I mean, the end term might be positive in some cases, but more often than not, okay, we're going to get negative, so we can have a negative number here. Makes it a bit more complicated, but I know we can do it. So let's go. Right then, first one, factorize this. By now, we should know for a fact, right, that 3x here and x here, that's a given, right? The issue here now, okay, is this minus 6. Remember, because this minus 6 comes from doing this number times this number. And to make a negative number by multiplying, one sign's got to be positive here, one sign's got to be negative. Right? Makes it a bit more tricky. But I'm not scared. Okay, let's have a little look now. All right, I know it's 3x here. Okay, and I know it's x here, obviously. And again, 6, I'm thinking 1 times 6 by edging more towards 2 times 3 personally, okay? So I'll try this, and if it doesn't work, I'm not going to cry. I'll have a go. So 3x squared, all right? And this will make the 6, right? But to make the negative 6, either the 2's got to be positive or and 3 negative, or the 3's got to be negative and the 2's positive, okay? So 1 needs to be positive, one needs to be negative. So I'm trying to think now, can I make minus 7? Well, I don't know. Looking at this now, I would maybe try plus 2 here and minus 3 here and see what happens. If it goes wrong, no props. I'll try again. So this would be 2x, and this is going to be negative 9x plus this. Sorry. I've done it. Look. It's minus 7x. So I win. Plus 2 minus 3. All right. And you may think I'm lucky guessing that first time, but I've done these so many times that I'm developing like a feel for these, okay? And so will you guys, the more you practice. Obviously, if it went wrong here, okay, you would just change the 2 to a negative and the 3 to a positive and try again. All right, it won't take you that many goes. And then the more you do it, the more of a knack you'll develop and you'll start getting them right first time. Okay, next one, let's go. So, you know it's 2x, don't you? Okay, and if it helps you, there's one that you can't see, different signs. So here I go, 2x there. And then, whoop, sorry, let me do that a bit better than that. 2x here and x here. And again, 15. I'm thinking like 1 times 15 or even 5 times 3 maybe, okay? All right. So maybe try the 3 here and the 5 here. I don't know. See what happens here. All right. And 2x squared there. And give me the 15 there. All right. Again, maybe this one. Perhaps I'll try, 2x. Well, let me put a plus here and a minus here and see what happens. All right. So that's plus 3x there. And that's minus 10x. Yeah, I don't think so with this one. No, that's minus 7x. So didn't work. Okay, no probs. I'll try again with my very wonky box method. Okay. All right, an x. And this time round, perhaps I'll put the 5 here and the 3 here maybe. See what happens. All right. And again, perhaps I'll put the minus here and the plus here. I don't know. See what happens. All right. If it goes wrong, I'm not going to cry. I'm going to do it again. Minus 5x plus 6x minus 15. Yeah, I think I've done it. Yeah, look, 6x minus 5x equals x, or 1x if you're that way inclined, which is what I wanted. Wicked cool. Yep. So I'm done with that one. See, it took me 2 goes. All right, so if it takes you 4 goes, hey, don't worry about it. And this last one, all right, when you get to year 11, you'll see why this is a bit of a daft question, but it'll do for now. Okay, so 2x here and x here. All right, and again, different signs again. So let me try and draw that. Oh, look out. That is not a bad box, actually, for a change. Definitely 2x and x here, okay? And I need minus 42 here. Well, again, what are we thinking? Perhaps, 1 times 42, 3 times 14. Yeah, I think the most famous one in it is 7 times 6. Let me try 7 times 6, okay? And because I'm in the groove now, okay, I see this one now. I see it straight away. All right. Let me try this. Minus 6x here, plus 14x here. And I win because 14x minus 6x is positive 8x. Yeah, that's what I want. So I'm done. But again, I got a feel for these, and you guys will have a feel for them as well eventually. Right, the more you practice. Done. Job done. Okay, for the main task then, there it is. Pause it and have a go. All right. If you get any of these right when we mark them, then you're doing a good job. All right. So good luck with the main task, and I'll come back shortly with the answers. Okay, welcome back. There's the answers. So mark what you've done. All right, and take it from there. If you're getting those right, you're doing a great job. Okay, a great job. Yep, and then the checking questions now. Okay, again, I probably will just write the answer down for these ones, especially for question 1, because it's quite similar to the main task. All right, you've got a -1 there. So again, I'll pause this and have a go. All right, and then come back to me. Okay, so this one. Okay, I'm gonna have 2x here and x here, and I think if you put a +3 there and a -7 there, you're gonna get in the middle -7x plus 6x. Yeah, that's -1x. So I know that's right there, okay? I haven't shown the box method now because you hopefully have to practice and you guys can see how I did this and take it from there. And this one, okay, is a weird one, isn't it? Because you might agree you can write this like this, couldn't you? See? There's no x's in the middle of this. So I put the 0x there to remind me what's going on. All right? So I need to work out now, don't I? Okay, I'm going to make 0. Well, we covered it in previous lessons. The only way to make 0, okay, remember in the box method, all right, is if this thing here and this thing here are both the same number, but one's positive and one's negative. Okay. So this 4x squared, all right, I think I would try 2x and 2x. And I hope you agree, right, to make the 0 in the middle, all right, then these two have got to be the same number, but with a different sign, all right? So my thought process is that I know that 9 is either 1 times 9 or it's 3 times 3. You see, it's got to be both the 3's. Otherwise, you won't get the same number in the middle. Okay? So let me put a plus there and a minus there and watch what happens, okay? That'll give you -9. That'll give you plus 6x. And that's minus 6x. And minus 6x, sorry about that, plus 6x is 0. All right? Well, 0x if we're being picky. And that's what I want. So I know this thing factorizes, okay, to 2x add 3 times 2x minus 3. Okay, and it'll always be this sort of format here when there's no middle term. All right, it'll always be, these will be the same, and these will be the same, but the signs will be different. This is called the difference of two squares, and we'll cover it again later on in the course, but it's incredibly important, okay? So I'll leave it there, all right? Stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. Nice.